engineer?
Yes, ma'am.
And what's your name?
Mitch, Marmount.
And how long have you been doing this?
Well, I got my first Y&L set in 1967. And I was about 5 years old.
Wow! So you really stayed with it.
Yeah.
Isn't it an expensive hobby?
If you have to ask, okay, for actually, you can get things like this. Like, for example, this freight car here was only $5. And if you shop around a bit, you can actually get some pretty good deals.
Well, this is the Green Country Model Railroaders Association. This organization has been in existence since the early 80s. The main goal is to promote the hobby of model railroading and also public safety around railroad crossings. We have about 35 members right now, and growing, I hope. We come out to these shows primarily to try to attract new members. So, anything else I can answer?
Would you introduce yourself to the camera?
My name is Terry Smith, and I'm the president of the organization. Excuse me.
This is N scale, this is HO, and then O scale would be twice HO size because HO stands for half of O scale.
There's one of our local radio star or TV stars, Rick Wells. You know Rick Wells? There's Rick. They came out and did a segment on it.
This is amazing. And your name is?
My name is Hugh, H-U-G-H, Keen, K-E-E-N. I'm
Thank
from
you.
Jenks.